Looking for flexible financing options? At NEFCR, we've partnered with GreenSky to bring you simple and convenient payment plans for your projects. Getting started is easy. Visit this link and use our merchant number, 81075863, to complete your application in just a few clicks. GreenSky offers two fantastic financing plans. Plan 1, 2,611 12 months, 0%, deferred interest with monthly payments. Keep in mind, if the balance isn't paid in 12 months, interest rates of 17.99% to 27.99% will apply. Plan 2, 2786, a fixed APR of 9.99% for the life of your loan. Prefer to apply over the phone? Call GreenSky at 866-936-0602 and follow these simple prompts. Press 2 to check the status of a new or existing application. Press 1 to start a new application. With GreenSky, financing your projects has never been easier. Apply online or give them a call today to get started.